Hi everybody, and welcome to Anatomy and Physiology. I just wanted to do a short video for those of you who are brand new to studying A&P and to maybe offer some insights on the bigger picture and some study tips. So let's take anatomy first. Anatomy is the study of the parts, right? The size and shape and the names of things. It's really the structures of the body. And if we think about the names, unless you speak ancient Greek or Latin, it's going to be like learning a foreign language. So, like learning a foreign language, you're going to use tools that would help you with practicing vocabulary and the pronunciation. So, you can go online and look at online dictionaries that have audio clips, or if you have like an iPhone or a mobile device, you can download apps that are, you can just touch the muscle or the structure, the bone, and it will give you the pronunciation. So that can be helpful. As per the size and location and getting to know those structures, what they look like, where they are, you can use photographs, images, graphics, and color books. There's lots of different ways to depict those structures, and they don't all have to be graphic or gory. There's some beautiful artwork out there. So I'll put some of those in the resources section if you want to take a look at those. When I was studying anatomy in college, my professor actually gave us a different lab manual, one that didn't match the text that we had for the basic class. And he said it was primarily to show us different art from really different perspectives. So that can be helpful, not to just look at the pictures in your textbook, but to look at the art from another illustrator or another perspective. So let's look at physiology in comparison. If anatomy is the study of the parts, the structures, physiology is really the study of the functions, of how the body works, of the processes. So that's a little harder to depict, right, with a picture. So what you want to do with those is to listen to explanations and to maybe inform yourself on some of the background of this. This stuff is happening at almost inconceivably small microscopic levels. It's all about the biochemistry. If you need a review, if your chemistry is a little bit shaky, you can watch online videos or get a basic chemistry text and look at the sections on biochemistry, the chemistry of life. And also, there's some amazing new technology out there. Artists are getting together with molecular scientists, and they're producing these biomolecular animations. It's really awesome. There's a TED Talk on that, and I'll put that in the resource section too. So again, there's different ways of really using some helpful technology, videos, text, images, and audio explanations to really help supplement your textbook in understanding both the anatomy and the physiology. I hope that was helpful. Thanks for watching.